Now we are discussing the redundancy. We know that redundancy is the error detection techniques. That means we can detect the errors with the help of the redundancy. So redundancy is used to find the error or detect error. If we talk about the redundancy, that how it works, then the extra bits are added to detect the errors at the destination. Now to understand the working of redundancy, first of all we are understanding this diagram. Let us suppose that we are having the sender node. Sender node means we are having a sender. Now at the sender we are having some data. So let us suppose that this 1010, the sequence of this, that is the data, that is what we are sending. So first of all sender send the data. Now in this data we are adding some of the redundancy. So here some bits we are adding here. So here we can say that this is the data and redundancy, both are together. So this is the data which is there, and this is the redundancy, both are together. Now this redundancy can be some code, some 101 sequence that can be calculated by any of the medium, that is for the checking purpose. Just like if I say that these all bits sum should be like this, so that can be some redundancy bits. Now these two are sent, and via this medium there the data is moving to this direction. Now this is the receiver node. So at the receiver side this data and redundancy bits are received. So this data and redundancy, they both are received here. Now this is data and this is redundancy as same but we have taken. Now afterward, based on this redundancy we are going to check it, because that is like a key. So here we are checking. If it is matching, then afterward we will send to the processing. If it is not matching, then we will reject the data. So if this is no, data is rejected. If it is yes, then the data is sent for the further processing and successfully data is received. So this is how the redundancy works. The idea is that we are going to add some extra bits, that is for the calculation, and once the data is reached then we check and match with that particular redundancy bits, and if it is okay then it is received, otherwise it is discarded. And this is how we can detect the error in the data. So this is all about the redundancy.